One great thing about our classes here at Gaelchultúr is that a lot of them are online, which means that people can log on and learn Irish with us no matter where they are in the world.
It's so much more than an online classroom. It's a community. You feel part of it. You're very well supported throughout the process also.
You don't have to worry about taking the time out to travel or to move. It's accessible, it's right there in your lap.
Tá pobl láidir dóanda ag Gaelchultúr agus tá daoine ag fhoghlaim linn imreis is tír ar fad a dóin.
People may start at leibhéal againn and end up at leibhéal cuaig with Gaelchultúr. Once that confidence grows, they know they can return and do more.
Bíonn na ranganna fíorthainmhach, an idir gníomhach, bíonn gáirí agus sprí an gomininic is fhoghlaimóirí lánás de iad.
What we like to do is focus on the spoken language and on getting our learners to really practice their listening and speaking skills in the language. And I think that this makes our classes particularly fun to be a part of.
But I would say the resources that you have online, not just in the class, but they have listening pieces, they have reading pieces, they have written pieces for you to practice. And it's all available to you, not just in the class, but when you're at home and you're able to really relax and enjoy the learning experience.